Morning.
Morning.
He's my favourite pupil getting in. There's your driver's licence. Instructors would cut the right hand off to have pupils like this. Gets loads of practice with her dad, asks loads of questions and works hard. Well, that looks like you, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think I was like 13.
Yeah?
No, that would be too 14. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How are you feeling?
Stressed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What? Did you watch your video?
Yeah.
What did you think?
It was okay.
You see where you went wrong?
Yeah.
But you were kicking yourself, weren't you?
Just that roundabout.
Mm-hmm. Is the parents at work?
Yeah. The only question I had was about like the bonnet, if you have to lift up the bonnet. I'm not 100% sure.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about that.
Do you not need to know it?
Yeah, I'll show you them, bud. Have I not shown you them yet, like?
You did once briefly, but I can't fully remember it all of it.
What's the date of the day? 13th.
Yeah, 13th.
Right. Have you any questions before we start?
I don't think so.
Definitely 10:14.
Yep.
Right. When you get in the car with the examiner, put your license in there.
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah, so I'll just leave it there then.
Yeah. Yeah. Just when you go upstairs, just take it with you.
Okay.
Right. Really good driver, this one. She's only got one bad habit. What is it?
Clutch.
Yeah. Sometimes when she gets stressed, she brings the clutch straight up to the driving point. How many mock tests have we had? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many have you passed?
None of them.
What was the crossbar last lesson?
I think you were showing me something and then we missed the traffic lights.
Ah, so that was my fault.
But you said other than that was the only thing that went wrong last lesson, yeah.
Right, well, we're going to see how she drives for this hour, 15 minutes, and then we'll make a prediction when we get there. You're about to see some good driving skills. Put a bit of pressure on you, yeah? I never look around when I pull up my driveway. It's warm to deer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tell them where you're going tomorrow when you pass your test.
Where am I going?
Although you're taking your dog for its haircut.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. She's going to take our dog for its haircut tomorrow when she passes her test today. Where's Sister at, Sammy?
Just chilling.
Sure. Did she give you any tips?
No.
Is there any roads that you're worried about?
Maybe going through the city centre.
Oh yeah? Do you want to go through there?
Yeah, kind of. Like the A177.
Everybody messes that up.
I feel like I'm better coming out that way from Elvis
Oh yeah?
than going in.
Was it like watching self-drive on?
Weird.
Is it?
Yeah.
Everybody says that. Most people won't watch the self-driving on. What did your dad say?
Just stay calm.
He's right, because if you get nervous, your brain doesn't work.
Yeah.
The way she's done that is absolutely perfect. Lovely uphill junction. She does a roll and fast, a rise and brake, observations and gas clutch. And then she holds back for a lovely meeting situation. Applies the handbrake. I would have just checked my mirror though.
Yeah.
Because there was a car behind, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But all that's good, well done.
I was making sure I looked at all the show me tell me questions this morning. Yeah.
Have you learnt them all?
I think so.
Good.
I feel like this, yeah, I think I know them all.
You know, when I take my pupils for driving test, I get really nervous. But today, I feel as cool as a cucumber. Do you know why?
Why?
you're a very good, skillful driver when your brain's working. I've given you loads of praise today. Guess what's going to happen on this driving test?
Fail.
Yeah, you're going to fail. So it's always the same. Yeah. Put the really good ones in who should pass these in the field. They do one silly thing. What about the handbrake one? Like,
Do I change my indicator?
Once you pass the second exit, yeah. If you put it on before,
They'll think I'm going down there.
yeah, exactly. Now we're turning right for the A177.
So I need to move over when it's safe, which I think is now.
Is that your middle name, Mia? Mia.
Yeah.
Spell ready.
I know it is.
Turning right. Thought it was B-M-A-Y.
No.
Is that the posh version somewhere?
I don't know. I'm born in May. So I just didn't want to use the same spelling, I don't think. So I need to move over here. Is that alright?
It's all good.
I feel like I'm a bit slow on that bit.
No, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Now, can you pull up for a nice hill start? Go further up where it's steeper.
Can I just pull in over the spaces because it's
Yeah,
not close?
don't worry about that.
Oh, I'm a bit over the space.
Don't worry about it, you're not bothered. Just going to ask you to drive on here. It's just for a hill start. Then take the next left.
Okay. Don't go now.
Whenever you think it's safe. Lovely hill start, young lady. Well done. Ready for that. Right. D-miss back window. D-miss front. Sound on. Open close window.
Which one?
Any. Dimmed headlights. Front window washers and wipers. Back window washers and wipers. Yes. You got a fighter pilot reaction to you.
Is that good or bad?
Yeah, that's good.
Will I be?
Back it up.
I want to make sure the examiner will be happy with it.
What?
I don't like. Is that fine there?
Be here, put your handbrake on, put your room. Well, it's time to wish Zoe the best luck. Give us a prediction, pass or fail.
Fail.
Hmm?
Fail.
No, fourth. Oh, how many falls?
Maybe one serious.
One serious. It should be first time with no more than, at the start I would have said no more than one minor, but just made a few minor faults, driver faults. So I'm going to go for 3 faults. She just needs to drive like she normally does and driving a bit slow time when pulling out of junctions. But other than that, it's pretty good. Right, go and open the bonnet. Now, you said you want the instructor to come with you, say no. Have you got that?
Yep.
Say you want me at the end, say yes.
Okay.
Got that? Have you opened it?
Oh,
The bonnet?
did you press it twice?
Pull it hard. Yeah.
Twice.
Yeah. Twice. 3 up them.
I realised as soon as I pulled over I was too far from the curb, but I couldn't go forward because there was another car.
Is that when you're about the control?
Yeah.
Well, we're back off test with the wonderful Zoe. Tell them what you've done.
Passed.
Tell them how many falls.
2 minors.
What were the 4?
Pulling up a tiny bit too far away from the curb and hesitancy at a junction.
Did you know the junction wasn't at?
Yeah.
What manoeuvre did you get?
Parallel park.
Parallel park.
It went in first time.
Did it?
Yeah.
Well, you're good at that, weren't you?
Apart from,
Did you-
apart from the one we did earlier.
Did you do the emergency stop?
No.
Tell them what the examiner was like,
Really nice.
wasn't she?
Yeah, she was. Just
Did she
chatting
chat to
away.
you much?
Yeah, quite a lot.
But that suited you.
Yeah.
It must have.
Well,
What's it feel like to pass your testing?
really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you taking your dog tomorrow then?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.